In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OnePlus Earbuds to Motorola phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which model of Motorola phone or OnePlus Earbuds that you have, you will be able to connect them together. This will be primarily done using Bluetooth. So, for most modern set of earbuds made by OnePlus, you will be connecting them over a Bluetooth connection. So to set this up, swipe down from the top and see if Bluetooth is enabled. You should be able to long press on Bluetooth to go over to the settings, or you can manually access the settings, go into connected devices, where you should see Bluetooth. Depending on which model of phone or which version of Android you have, this might be different, but basically look for Bluetooth inside of the settings. You will need to enable it from here and afterwards establish a connection. So once you find Bluetooth, you will see the option to pair a new device. If needed, toggle Bluetooth on if it is set to off, and when you choose the option to pair a new device, you will be able to choose your OnePlus earbuds. So, to set them up into pairing mode, all that you have to do is open the lid on the case. Usually by opening the lid on the case, it automatically activates pairing mode, which allows them to be discovered by other devices, including of course your Motorola phone. If this does not happen immediately, see if there is any sort of physical button that you can press on the case to enable pairing mode. This is going to differ for every single model of OnePlus earbuds, so I cannot give you instructions for all of them, but it is simple to do. If needed, check the manual and you will find a way in which you can enable pairing mode for your set. Once they have been set up into pairing mode, the OnePlus earbuds will appear on the list of available devices and you will be able to select them. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OnePlus earbuds to Motorola phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.